Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday, 15th of October 2017, and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 13th of October. Gold rose $28 last week from $1,276 to $1,304, having hit a high of $1,304 and a low of $1,275. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £982. That's up £6. And in euros, it closed at €1,103. That's up €16 on the week. Silver rose 58 cents from $16.82 to $17.40, having hit a high of $17.42 and a low of $16.81. In sterling terms, it closed at £13 and 10 pence. That's up 23 pence for the week. And in euros, it closed at 14.72 euros. That's up 0.38 euros. The gold to silver ratio fell from 75.86 to 1 to 74.94 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 22,871, up 30 points on the day and up 98 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 6,605, up 14 points on the day and up 15 points on the week. Brent crude rose $1.55 from $55.62 to $57.17. And US light crude rose $2.16 from $49.29 to $51.45, reversing the previous week's falls. The dollar index stands at 93.09. That's down 0.71 on the week. Well, last week saw a very firm rise in the price of gold, and analysts who frankly tend to be quite fickle from week to week are now predicting a rise to the 13.25 level. The weakening of the dollar and continuing geopolitical tensions seem to support this. We have our eyes slightly more longer term upon whom is likely to replace Janet Yellen at the Fed, and whether a more dollar-supporting Fed chairman is likely to replace her. We still see gold pretty much range-bound for the next couple of weeks, with a firm undertone for the start of this coming week. Again, silver also rose last week, and analysts are now suggesting that $18 soon is a strong possibility. Again, our view has not changed, save that we expect a slight firming this week and then a fall back again below the $17 level. We should not be surprised to see these up and down movements, as so much is happening week to week. It makes it difficult for investors to predict very short-term moves. What we will say is positive for gold and silver at the moment is that stock market investment is also high, and gold and silver prices have held their own. But even the most bullish of serious analysts do not see gold reaching $1,500 and silver much above $20 until well into 2018. So for the short-term traders, there is much excitement. But for sit and hold investors, as many of our subscribers are, it slowly accumulates when weakness occurs. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative. And if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated regularly, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we're not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice, and merely represent the personal views of its owners.